Hello everyone, and welcome to our last week of class. As mentioned already in my posts, the due dates for all of the activities will be a week from today, August 2nd, at the regular time, except for part of the goodbyes. The evaluations for this course are due by the 30th. The 31st, actually. That's when the semester officially ends and the course evaluations are due. Otherwise, you'll have until the 2nd to finish everything. The first thing I want to look at with you is the Tech Use Plan presentation. The first thing that I want to mention about this is that using Google Docs presentation is optional for this assignment. Originally, this course was set up during the regular semesters, the spring and fall semesters, for this to be a group project, and using Google Docs presentations was suggested as the best way to collaborate on this project. In the summer semester, working as a group is optional because of our time constraints, and so using Google Docs presentation is also optional. So you can use Google Docs presentations if you want to, or you can use any of the other options here listed below. In your presentation, you're going to have, most likely at least, these 9 slides. You can demonstrate all the information here, and again, remember to use small amounts of text. These images right here will be fixed by Dr. Schroeder, who's currently on vacation right now. If you have any questions about including speaker notes, let me know. You can include those, but in the presentation here, according to the rubric, we would like for your presentation to have live narration in the slides. And so, providing your Google Doc presentations, speaker notes would be appropriate, but having a live narration is expected. So, as mentioned here in the complete technology use plan presentation, in the instructions here, you can both share your Google Doc presentation with your speaker notes as described here, embed that into your presentation, into your post, but also add the narrated portion using one of the one of these options here, or one of your choice. You'll also want to make sure that you submit the URL to your post here at the appropriate spot, again by August 2nd. Looking at the rubric here, you want to make sure you have all of the 9 elements there listed. Look for your grammar and errors. You're going to publish this on your learning log, and once again, I would encourage you to use this as a resource tool teaching other people. You might consider your audience as colleagues that you'll have in the future that might be asked to participate with you on a tech use plan and help develop it. So you can say, hey, since we'll be working together on this, you might go look at this post that I created about the topic. You want to have some images, and again, limited text, and then a live narration for your slides. Next, I want to talk about your professional learning network. This is just sort of a simple, fun activity to end with, but again, I also think it's going to be a useful post for future colleagues and others for you to share with. Basically, you'll take a look at this video here. You're going to end up going to Bubble Us. I think I pronounced that right. Sometimes you never know. You're going to create your own little concept map of your current and proposed elements of your professional learning network. It's basically going to look something like this. This is Dr. Schroeder's example. And then you're going to put on there a post here in your summary of it, and your current plans and future plans for a professional learning network, which you also, again, I would gear towards teaching individuals about a professional learning network, maybe giving a definition and describing why you think there's an the importance of having it. You can also, as you do this, sort of wrap up the class and demonstrate some of the different tools that we've used with Delicious and Google and bookmarking items using RSS feeds and other things. And then also this blog here will be part of that, your learning log blog posts. Lastly, you'll have an opportunity to basically say goodbye. This is an extra credit opportunity to create a bumper sticker. Again, you might Google, EdTech 501 bumper sticker, or EdTech learning log and bumper sticker to look at some examples of previous students. Again, I encourage you to look at just last semester students in case there's been changes on this. But you want to go through and make sure you have all your assignments turned in, see if there's any grades that I might have missed. I'll be double checking those. If you have any questions about grades, or especially if you've corrected something and I have not upgraded the grade, if you'll please let me know about those. I apologize if I've missed anything on that regard. They're also going to go ahead and put a final post, sort of demonstrate in an image what you've summarized, one of the main things or things that you've learned this semester. In your post, make sure we can see the image, and rate other classmates' posts, giving them full credit if they've submitted this final post. Yes, and if you look at all of your classmates this time instead of just your small group. Review again all of your assignments, make sure the grades look appropriate, and then again, if you could, by the 31st, complete the course. It's actually a semester-wide evaluation. I haven't gone past this point, and so I'm not exactly familiar with every single question that'll be asked, but in general I'm familiar with the format. So once you finish that, if you'll turn that in, the bumper sticker, and again, let me know if you have any questions. We can go ahead and see who's already finished this. Looks like Gianna has already done hers, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So she's got some new ideas to engage her students at EdTech 501. So that looks great, Gianna. So I hope you all have a good week, that it's not too stressful. Let me know if you need any help or feel that you're not going to be able to complete everything on time. And I'll see you then.